y'all, I'm back with another banger video. If you guys don't know me by now, my name is Bebe Terrell, and I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. Before I get started, if you guys don't mind, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and also like and share this video. So let's get into this look. So first, I'm really trying to find like a maybe like a lightish brown, you know, like a transition color. So in this next clip, I am going to blend this into my crease area, and as you can see, I am using it's like a fluffy eyeshadow brush, but not too fluffy, but not too like hard or dense. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that in. First, I like to pack on the eyeshadow as you can see, and I'm just going to blend it out from the inner into the outer corner of my eye. Okay, you guys, I'm going to get a brush that doesn't have nothing on it. I'm just going to blend upward to my eyebrow to make sure everything look blended, precise, kind of perfect. Blend it out. Is no smudges, no caking up. In the next clip, I'm going to take a more like a more of a dense, harder type of eyeshadow brush, and we're going to go in with a deeper brown. I'm mainly going to focus that on where my eyelid crease is at, and I'm basically going to do the same motion, go back and forth, but I also go back and forth with the brush that doesn't have anything on it to make sure everything is still blended and I'm not putting on too much product and the product is not looking too patchy. Okay, you guys, now I am going to go in with a deeper brown because the first brown that I used, it really wasn't popping up like I wanted to, and I'm basically focusing that on like my crease area. I'm just showing you guys the color. I'm just going deeper and deeper. Make sure I show you guys which color I'm using so I don't confuse anybody, but I'm just going back and forth in the eyeshadow palette, you know, just going back and forth to make sure the product is on my eyelid, and I go back and forth with that first brush that I use to make sure everything is blended out. And also sometimes what I do, since my eyes are a little bit smaller than others, I ain't gonna say smaller than others, but you know, I don't have big eyes and big eyelids, but I also like to tilt my head back to make sure I'm blending everything out precisely. Okay, this next clip is me getting like the lightest, I want to say like the lightest concealer color in my concealer. I want to say concealer, I don't want to say bundle, but the lightest concealer that I could find that I have, just because when I put this pink on, I want to make sure it pops. So what I did was, since I have small eyelids, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus on my natural crease, and I'm basically going to cut that, and I'm also going to cut upward like a cat eye to make sure everything is precise basically. So as you can see, I'm taking that like a pinkish, like a light pinkish color that she had in the pictures that she posted on IG, but I'm taking that light pink color. That's the lightest pink color that I could find. It's not so neon, but yeah, I'm going to take that and pat that in. I could have used a smaller brush, but it is what it is. So now you guys, I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my whole face. This is a technique that I seen this girl do on Instagram. I was like, well, let me see, can I do it? But yeah, if you guys want to continue to watch the video, go right ahead. But basically, as you can see, I basically did everything I would do, but I did it all at one time. So as you can see, I have my highlighting shades up under my eye. I did my contour in the middle of my contour. Where I'm blending out, like in the middle, is where my normal foundation is. So yeah. And y'all, I just want to let y'all know I'm finna turn into Megan Thee Stallion. Y'all think I'm playing, but for real, it took me a minute to do this because like I like this technique when I'm like kind of in a rush. But like, I just love really doing everything separate. But y'all, when I tell you, I was so shook at like, you know, at the makeup look that I really achieved for this look. So yeah, if you guys want to see it, let's get it. Let's go. But hey, you guys, I'm back. If you guys stayed this long, thank you once again for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'll be posting either once a week or twice a week, depending on how my schedule is. But don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and also turn on that notification bell to get these banger looks. You know, you never know when you might want to just try something new, try something different, and learn something new from your girl, okay? Because I will be putting out makeup videos / tutorials on here. If you guys have any questions, if you guys would like to see me do certain looks, I don't know, just review different types of products, just let me know. But also we gonna send a prayer out to Megan, because Meg, I got shot recently, but we just gonna send a prayer to her. This is just a side note, but I'm telling you, we pulling up, okay? Bow, 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 we pulling up. period. Or whoever shot me. They say it's Tory Lanez, but whoever it is, baby, they finna get these hands. But anyways, I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Like I said, don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe and like this video. I'll see y'all later.
But I gotta get rich. You can check the throwback pics up in that bitch. I'm a hot girl.